Greetings, fellow traders. Paul Blaine here. It's time for the Lunchtime Market Update for Wednesday, July the 7th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see where we are at the market here today. So SPX, guys, up 13 points as they bought the dip again. And you can see what happened right here. It's pushing the weekly chart back to green. Daily chart, again, same thing. We got a nice little dip down here today, and they ended up buying it. So looks like we're tagging fresh all-time highs again here today. And I guess that was it for the potentially for the wave 4 pullback. But we'll see, right? This could be a 1-2, and might be working a wave 3. Let's see how the Fed minutes come out here today. Otherwise, it could be an expanded flat. This could be an A, B, and then we'll see a wave C down. So we just have to kind of see what the price action is after the Fed minutes today. Now, remember, the minutes are typically, it's not a rate announcement or anything like that. It's just the minutes from the last rate announcement. But recently, they've been a little bit more concerned about it because of possible hints of inflation and earlier rate increases than expected, stuff like that. So definitely worth keeping on the radar here today. Other than that, let's take a look at the S&P futures and just kind of show you what the levels that we're looking at here today. So again, we basically had a nice drop here at the open. We pointed out a good short opportunity on the live stream towards this after this candle right here. It gave us a nice move down. And wow, did they buy the dip on this one right here. They got over the signal zone, gave a very, very big candle here with increased volume, bullish engulfing candle, and ended up getting some nice upside action off of that. Really incredible stuff. Let's take a look at the MES. Again, same thing right here, guys. Tough to put a geometric on in this one after we're at basically fresh all-time highs on this. So we'll see how it goes here. The Qs, again, more of like a kind of a 6.8 retrace right here off of today's down move. So let's see how the Qs, if the tech ends up holding into the after the Fed today, after the Fed minutes. IWM with a big V reversal there today too. And the XLF was, again, weighing pretty heavy here on the market. And then it kind of looked like it was breaking out of the bear flag right here and ended up coming in and kind of bolstering the market a little bit there too. The VIX, again, was generally doing the same thing, right? Looking really strong right here, and then they just quickly flushed it right here. So very interesting stuff there on that. Apple, one of the stronger names earlier, and still kind of hanging in there. So again, very similar to yesterday, big up move, then down move, and then up again, big up move, down move, and then up again. So let's see if we can get over that prior inside day high, basically over today's highs, and get going. So again, we'll see what they say after the Fed today. Tesla, again, weighing on the S&P a little bit right here. So big drop here, signal zone to signal zone, and then another signal zone to signal zone, and down about 14 points right now as it's trying to not really rallying as much as the other names right there. So we'll check out that one tonight, of course. A couple chart requests out there. We got Bitcoin. So Bitcoin up 645 right now, so just kind of chopping around. Again, the big thing is this geometric line that we're tracking here. So last time I looked at the futures on Bitcoin were an inside day. Yeah, so an inside day is kind of hanging out at the 80 MA, so getting really, really tight. But no real movement yet. So let's look to see if we can get some volume coming out of there. Amazon, potential pause day here. We could be looking at a doji sandwich as it got fresh all-time highs here again today after yesterday's big move. So we'll see how that goes. NEGG. Let's say a wild mover today on this one, guys. I think this is another Reddit name. Kind of a Wall Street Bets type name thing, and this thing really, really pushes more. Halted a bunch here today, and just a big push on NEGG. So good stuff there. JP Morgan, again, kind of crazy right here, flushed and then bounced, again, along with the XLF there, so kind of keep an eye on the banks and see how they go here today. Facebook, this one got hit a little bit here. I think there's a lawsuit out there on it now, so we've got that going on, and same with Twitter, right? So that's kind of just down here a little bit below the 80 MA, so on the intraday. So we'll just kind of see how it holds up and how that news transpires. So we'll see how it goes. Again, over the 80 MA on the daily too. So good stuff, guys. We'll keep an eye on this stuff and see what sets up after the Fed, and hopefully we'll get some a little more movement one way or the other, and a little more clarity. So other than that, guys, appreciate everybody for tuning in. We'll catch you guys in the market wrap, and until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.